My message is just to remember the people to stay human and think about who are really these people crossing the world for arrival here.
Zadovoljstvo mi je pozvati mlade, posebno iz Zagreba i cijele Hrvatske, da posjete ovaj festival tolerancije, jer to je nešto što svi misle da znaju o čemu se radi. Vjerujem da će ovdje puno toga vidjeti, naučiti i da ćemo svi skupa na taj način postati bolji ljudi.
I believe tolerance is the very essence of the European values. Without tolerance in Europe, without tolerance among the different people in Europe, and without tolerance to all these people who are coming to Europe, we cannot, as Europe, survive.
I am now honored to present you this award. It says Milan Bandic, Mayor of the City of Zagreb, a Mensch for all seasons.
Mensch za sve sezone.
Hello, my name is Florian Gallenberger. I am the director of Colonia. It's my second time here at the Jewish Film Festival, or the Festival of Tolerance in Zagreb. I have my first time in a very good memory, and I think cinema is the strongest place of storytelling, and where stories get the most intensive and take us on a great ride. And if these stories tell us something about tolerance, I think that's really important. Cinema is just a great place, and please go to see the movies.
So the message to young people of today's Croatia is to be open to new experiences, travel around the world, study languages, study ancient cultures, be sure you know what's going on in the world, read the news, and stay in tune. And I think more than anything, we need to have love inside.
My message is just to carry on with this kind of kindness campaign, to carry on with this exhibition, to carry on with anti-xenophobic campaigns.
So we have to bridge between memories about the past, World War II, the Holocaust, and experiences in today's society that all ask for democratic behavior, for engagement, for solidarity. And that's bridging memory from the past to the present.
I would like to say that for me, being here in the Tolerance Film Festival in Zagreb is something very special, because the Holocaust is a very prominent subject, topic of this festival.
I don't think that we can say it will never happen again. I know that Branko Lustig wants to use these words, and I hope he's right. But I have doubts about that, because right now there's such a lot of terrible things happening in Europe, and we have a situation that reminds many people of the time before the Second World War. And so I think in showing that the result, or the worst case scenario, and which is narrated in our movie, and especially what happened to the children back then, I think that is a warning sign, and should be displayed to the younger generation.